Hello, this video is going to show how to format code in a WordPress post. It took me a very long time to figure it out, so I am making a video to remind myself how I did it. To format code, one has to click on this plus button and choose syntax highlighted code. Then simply write the code that you want, and in the preview pane you can see the code formatted. If you try to use the code shortcode to format the code, it's not going to work. And this is what I kept on trying for a very long time. If you want the code shortcode to work, you have to switch the editor to code editor. After that, you can enter your code within a code shortcode and it is supposed to work. But you can see that it messes up the formatting. So the best bet seems to be to just use the visual editor and use the syntax highlighter block. Another thing that confused me was WordPress provides you the classic editor as well, which you can choose by clicking over here, the three dots, then switch to classic editor. In this editor, you won't be able to format the code using the visual editor. You will be able to format it using the HTML editor. Another problem with this classic mode is that it's very difficult to figure out how to switch to the block editor now. I don't see the three dots over here. The trick is to click on this button, try the new block editor, learn more, and this will switch you back to the block editor. So in summary, WordPress provides you with two editors, the block editor and the classic editor. In the block editor, you are able to format code using the syntax highlighter code or using the code shortcode in the code editor mode. In the classic editor, the visual editor mode is completely broken and you can format the code using the code editor. That's it in this video. Thanks.